Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a C++ program to find the power of a number. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So first thing first, we will create the file name of our program. So power number.cpp for C++. Next, we will have here the author. That's me, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Date: today is October 8, 2019 at Tuesday. The day is Tuesday, 8:32 p.m. Website, my personal website, http jakerpomperada.com. Next, we will declare the library file iostream for input output. Next, using namespace standard, int main, the starting point of our program execution. Actually int main is a function, so every time that we run our program, this will be the first one that our compiler search and execute. And then we will declare a series of variables: num equals 0, comma, a equals 1, comma, power or power, pw for power or pw. Okay. Next, we will have here two new line, and then we will have the title of the program, power of a number in C++. This is the title of our program. Next, console out, enter the base value of the number. We have here cn right shift num. Okay, so by this time I will copy this one, and then we will have here enter power value. So we have here pw, right? Pw, the variable, and then we will have a new line. So for int I equals 1, I less than or equal to pw semicolon I plus plus increment begin a equals a asterisk by num semicolon, and then we have here a to display the result. The power, the result is okay. So we can have also here new line, console out as the end of the program. Okay, semicolon. After we are through, the next step that we will do is to save our Control S. We will create another folder here. Right click, new folder, power number, double click, and then power underscore number dot cpp. Now here, take note, the power underscore number, it is the file name, and then that the cpp is the extension. Click the save button, and then we will compile our program to check if there is some syntax error. No, there is none. No. Before we execute, let me explain first. This is the variable declaration of our program. This is for the input, and then we have here the looping statement that will solve for the power value of the number. So and then we have here the result for the output. So when we run our program, let's say for example 5 and 2, so we have 25. Okay, so when we run again, second time around, save, we can adjust the formatting here by adding \t horizontal tab in our program. So compile and run. 6 and 3 now. So power of a number in C++ enter base value. So we have here 6, enter power value, we have 3. So when we press the enter key, so the result is 216. So here we got it. Now the program works perfectly according to our specification. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button and leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I can improve this video tutorial or my suggestion for upcoming video tutorials in computer programming. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your support in my channel. Until next time, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada saying bye bye for now.